In this video, I'll show you how to turn on auto call recording on your Android phone. The steps are very simple and you'll have automatic call recording enabled in just a few minutes. So, opening the phone app on your device. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear. From there, choose Settings to access your calling preferences. Inside the Settings menu, locate Call Recording or Record Calls. Then tap on it to continue. On the next screen, select Auto Record Calls. You'll now see an option to enable the feature. Turn the toggle on. If your phone asks you to accept any permissions or terms, simply review them and tap Confirm or Agree to proceed. After enabling the feature, it's time to decide which calls should be recorded automatically. All calls, every incoming and outgoing call will be recorded automatically. Unsaved numbers. Only calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts will be recorded. Specific numbers. Select the contacts or phone numbers you want the phone to record every time they call or you call them. Choose the recording option that works best for you. Your phone will save the setting immediately, so there's no need to press a save button. Before using this feature, remember that call recording laws vary by country and region. Make sure you're following local regulations and inform the other person if required. That's it. Auto call recording is now turned on, and your Android phone will automatically record calls based on the option you've selected. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other helpful Android tutorials.